everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative, showing you our gorgeous new little mini kit. It is a Christmas mini kit, Aussie Christmas, and we are releasing it a little bit early so you guys have as much time as possible to make your Christmas cards. Let me show you what's in this kit. First of all, there is this adorable little clear stamp. It's an Aussie Christmas, that's this focus, which has got these cute little emus and bilbies on it, which is just adorable, and it matches really well with our Good on Your Aussie stamp set, which just came back into stock. The dies aren't in yet, but the stamp is in, thank goodness for that. So remember this cute little Christmas hat in here, which you can put on the kangaroos and the wombats. Also mixes and matches really well with these gorgeous little emus, and these cute little reindeer antlers match really well with our little koalas. So all these guys match really well together. So this is the stamp set that's in the kit, and this is the stencil. And it's a photopolymer stamp, I should say. There is a cute little cut apart sheet, a little mini cut apart, and a cute little Merry Christmas laser cut. Just going to quickly show you some of the gorgeous cards the DT have made. Adorable. They have mixed it with our Aussie Christmas, our Christmas sentiment stamp as well. So some of the girls, Jenny and Ashley, have done cute little cards. Joe, Sam, and Vicky have done some cute ideas in here. There's going to be some blogs on our website as well over the next couple of weeks using this gorgeous kit, and if you click on Be Inspired Card Ideas, there's lots of more card making ideas on there as well. So this kit is going to cost you $28. There is also a fussy cutting die you can add on if you want to. You can just buy the stamp and die as a set, or you can buy them all together. So it's on our website now. We really hope you enjoy this Aussie Christmas kit. We have been working on this one for a while and we think it's just fabulous. Thanks guys, see you soon, bye.